you understand this question?
Yes, you don't. So, understand you?
Uh, do it again.
This, and then this, and you have then this.
Okay, thanks.
Do you understand question 27?
I'll show you. You do this. You understand?
No.
With that button.
I don't understand this.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Thank you.
Do you have some idea for the next school year?
Yes, I have.
And what is it?
I want to go to free support, and you?
To the Friesland College.
And what I wish training?
Transport and logistics.
Oh, nice. I go to the training electrician.
Do you wanna do that when you pass the exams?
Yes, and you?
I think so.
Hey, it's time. Do we have homework?
Yes, it's written on the blackboard.
Alright, thank you.
Oh,
That's Lila.
that's Lila.